The 2003 Element. The Honda Element. Fun, freedom, and flexibility from the inside out, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, trip computer, bucket seats, passenger airbag, power windows, CD player, power door locks, auxiliary audio input, moonroof. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.